Hi there, Vadim is here. Let's get straight into the step-by-step tutorial. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to convert Word document to PowerPoint with Copilot AI. I've structured Word document for the research topic I just completed, Agentic AI and AI copilots at work. It's a multi-page document and it has a lot of considerations I'm trying to cover. If you turn on navigation pane, you will see all the topics and you'll be able to jump to the ones that you're looking for. I did some preparation. I included the topic, bullets for PowerPoint, speaker notes, and suggestions for the image. I also formatted the title as heading 1, using styles in Microsoft Word. My only option in the past was to copy and paste the information from Word to PowerPoint manually. This option works, but requires a lot of manual processing. There's another option which was available in Word. You could have just exported the Word file into PowerPoint. To do this, you need to navigate to File, Export, and this option, Export to PowerPoint, was right here, but unfortunately no longer available. Well, guess what? We are in 2025, and I am going to show you how to do it with Microsoft Copilot. The first thing we need to do is upload the file to OneDrive, so we can use Word Online with Frontier features available. Next, we need to open uploaded document in Microsoft Word Online. In the next step, let's enable Copilot's Frontier features. To do this, click on the Copilot and turn them on. Turning on Frontier features unlocks Copilot's new drafting and transformation abilities, which would allow us to convert Word into PowerPoint with just a simple prompt. And now let's use Copilot to convert the document. I'm gonna click on Copilot and use my magic prompt. Convert this Word document into a downloadable PowerPoint PPTX file, using what's already here in this Word file, using heading 1 as slide titles, use existing bullets as body, use suggestion ideas for speaker notes to generate additional relevant notes based on the slide's content, and use image suggestions for the theme selection. And in seconds, Copilot generated what I'm looking for. My generated presentation consists of 24 slides. It uses cool modern theme, which could be changed if you navigate to Design and look for design suggestions. Copilot also generated slide notes. To view them, you need to click View and select Notes. You can just double check to make sure it did it for all the slides. Well, in my book, I'm ready to do presentation. And if you are like me and don't like online version very much, you can download completed file as PPTX and present it using desktop version of PowerPoint. To do this, just click File, create a copy, and download a copy. And when download is complete, you can just open it in PowerPoint.